How's it going, guys? Austin Proulx here again with the Wilson Combat Shooting Team, and I'm joined again by friend and teammate Mike Seeklander. And today we're going to be hanging out and shooting the new Wilson Combat Bulwark. So this is their newest offering, and it is an FCU 1911 style trigger in a modular all aluminum frame. Everything on here is billet. And it's coming in at a lower price point than a lot of the other Wilson Combat offerings, so it's going to be easier to get a foot in the door with the Wilson product line. And so far, I've been pretty impressed with how these guys run, especially at the price point that they're offering. I think your value on these is pretty incredible, honestly. And I've got one set up here with irons. Mike's going to be shooting one of the red dot on there. And basically what we're going to do is kind of just put some rounds down range and talk through our experience with this gun firsthand as we're shooting.
Yeah,
so,
once again, we'll probably go back to a one-shot drill. If you got a new gun, folks, take it out and work that one-shot drill. Think about your grip, hand placement, pressure, all that stuff. But the gun and how it returns will tell you a lot about your technique and a lot about the gun. So we'll start there with a one-shot drill, and then maybe run some five-shot drills from as well.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Okay,
sounds like
fun, man. All right, the range is hot, brother.
Range is hot.
All right. Feel this hit trigger.
Okay, show me something. Nice. Oh, I pulled that one. There we go.
This trigger's amazing, dude.
It is, yeah. And I was commenting a second ago, for a gun that looks like this,
yeah,
you don't expect that really short, crisp, light 1911 style trigger.
It's short on the front end and it's short on the reset. I mean, it's something you have to get used to. I mean, it's for a gun like this, it's a fantastic little trigger, man.
Good problem to have.
Well, I'm able to shoot it and reset it. Like, you know, a super, super light trigger for some shooters, they can't find that reset point, but I'm easily often, I'm recovering the dot, resetting that trigger and finding the wall again. That's no problem.
It's not like it's got a mushy reset. You know, right. It has a little bit of push there to get you back to that wall, and you're immediately back there, so you're ready sooner.
Yeah. Uh-oh. We're at that very fast. All right, dude, let's pick some doubles up. We shoot doubles in competition all the time. Let's do some doubles.
Okay.
You call the drill. You give me the up command. Let's start in the body.
Okay.
2 shots. Let's see if we can really make the guns recover.
I like it. Are you ready?
Yep.
Up. Nice. Up. Up.
The gun recovers.
Running flat for you.
Gun recovers great, man. All right, your turn.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Up. Up. The recoil recovers freaking awesome. Up. One more time. Up.
Oh, and there's that trigger freeze.
All right, let's go to the head this time.
Got me all excited.
Let's go to the head. We got to prep and slow that process down just a hair.
A little more accountability.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Up. One more. Up. Nice.
All right, on you, man.
That second to last shot was dead center at dead center.
Up. Up. Perfect. Up. Nice, dude.
That's all I got for you.
All right, man. Excellent. I love the gun. I love how it feels. I was actually just watching yours eject. The ejection pattern was completely consistent.
Yep.
Same place each and every time. It's feeding well. It's running well. Clearly accurate. I mean, some of the shots out are on us. Not used to the timing on this particular trigger.
Well, and I haven't shot irons in a while, and that's an excuse that I shouldn't be using. I should be able to present the same and make that happen every time.
Well, it looks different, though. That's the reality. It's the reality.
Bit.
So I love it, man. Thumbs up for me on the Bulwark. Love it.